Have you ever wondered how the online affiliate marketing gurus earn so much money with their affiliate websites while you may be struggling to earn your first penny? Well, if your answer is yes to that question, then this video is for you. And if you're a flat out beginner, in my opinion, there is no better way to earn your first $336.10 online than with what I'm about to show you. And just let me say this is what the gurus don't want you to know about. Hi, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate from Deadbeat.com. And if you want to go from suits and commutes to earning online income while you snooze, then hit that subscribe button and tick that bell icon right now. All right, so step one of the process is what's called putting together a bonus package so that you can really amplify your commissions with the product that you're trying to sell. Now, this is the #1 reason why super affiliates earn the lion's share of the commissions while the average marketers are stuck with just table scraps and crumbs. All right, so what you see here is a template to put together that page. And just as a special bonus for you, if you stay towards the end of this video, I'm actually going to give you this template for free. Okay, so if you stay towards the end, you're gonna receive this, but more on that later. Okay, so let's just go quickly down the bullet points here. One key is the headline. You'll notice that it's very simple, very clean, right at the top of the page. I do not like good graphics, and in fact, if you saw my recent video, I'll put a link to that at the top right, of why simple websites outperform nice looking ones. You'll see exactly why. So you have your headline. The next important part of the process is the video. Now the video goes something like this. Okay, so I see that you're interested in investing in your product name, and what I consider this product to be is the best product to do. Insert benefit here. And when you invest in this product through my page here by clicking my affiliate link, you're also going to receive the following bonuses that are 2 or 3 times more valuable than the product itself. So we're going to take this to the next level. I'm talking spaceship, outer space levels to give you what you really need to solve this problem once and for all. End video. Okay, so that is a basic rundown of how the video goes. I made it intense, I know, but that's the way you want it to go. Now on the right hand side, we have the bonus overview, a quick little snippet of that. Now, just a quick tip here, to get the most results out of this, you only want to offer about 3 to 5 bonuses. You don't want to go beyond that or anything lower than that. If you go beyond that, you get diminishing returns, aka the time you put in isn't worth the boost in conversions. If you go below that, it's just a lackluster bonus package. Okay, continuing down the page here, you'll see that I have different colors to the background on the bonuses. I have 3 that I put together. They look pretty good here. The way this works is you just come up with a clever name for the bonus, and then you just give some benefits of what's in it, a quick little feature and mostly benefits. And you repeat that over and over until you get through to it. Now, what you see that underneath that is the affiliate offer. If you're new and you don't know what this is, an affiliate offer is essentially something that you sell and you earn a commission in return for selling it. So that means you don't have to create the product, you don't have to do customer support, you don't have to do shipping, you don't really have to do anything but get them to buy the product and you receive your cut. So sites you can get these from, I found this one on CJ.com. You can also find digital things like ClickBank.com, additional products that you can promote. What I'm showing you here today works on all of that. Now from this point on, once the customer clicks this green button, it will take them over to the vendor page. This will be your affiliate link, and they click that when they buy, you receive the commission, and eventually what they do is send you the paycheck, which is great, right? Okay, now for the second step, and correct me if I'm wrong, but you may be wondering in your mind this: what do you make for the bonus package? So bonuses are an art and a science kind of, and the key to this is making small little bonuses that enhance the main product, and when combined, it's just so compelling that the customer would be crazy not to buy the affiliate program. I'm not talking just like wacky, crazy, saying a bunch of weird stuff. I'm talking put yourself in a straitjacket and lock you in a mental ward if you did not buy the product that you are promoting to them. So the type of bonuses that I like, bonus #1, I love to offer coaching programs in addition to the affiliate product. The way this will work is you'll just offer 15-30 minutes of personal coaching so that when they buy the product, you will help them get the most from it. Now, The problem with that is it takes your time. The good news is that a good portion of the people never take you up on it after they buy, they forget about it. Now, in addition though, what I prefer is convincing the vendor to do the coaching for me. All right, I get that most of the time I'll get them to say yes. So that is the best of both worlds. You get to offer the coaching without actually having to put in the work of doing it yourself. And bonus number 2 that I love to offer are simple PDF ebooks that I put together, 5 to 10 pages that really solve an issue or complement the main product that you're offering. Now, quick tip here, you never want to create like this massive novel that's 200 pages. Just 5 to 10 pages of a really solid tip to make this product even better. So an example of that would be, let's just go with golf, for example. Say it's a video course on how to get a 90 par game in 18 holes. I have no idea anything about golf. But let's say that's the video program here. What you would do is you create another bonus here that will be something like how to get good at putting. My golf knowledge sucks. Putting and you know, never miss a hole ever again. All right, so just be some quick tactics that help this product. And bonus number 3, this can work with other types of products, not particularly golf, but it may work. Creating a small piece of software, a small app, a small script that really enhances the main product. And I'll show you where to get those in this step. Step number 2. Okay, so since I love me some sleep, I love snoring, we're gonna continue with this example. Just gonna type in snoring and plus the words PLR. So if you're going with golf or whatever your topic is, just type that in plus the word PLR. So what I'm gonna do is just grab some random thing here. Let's just click this one here, the PLR store. And what you'll find on these sites are guides that have already been created for you. And sometimes you can even get video books and software, audio giveaways, graphics, all kinds of stuff to go with it. So this is a quick little Stop Snoring PLR book. We got something like, let's see, it's about 10 pages. That's pretty good. You get a cover, that's done for you. Here's a breakdown of the table of contents here, and here are the licensing rights. Can be offered as a bonus. All right, can be packaged with other products, can be given away. So there you go, that's what you're looking for. Now to really give this the extra edge here, what I recommend you do is go over to Fiverr and get a nice custom product image made for it. So just type in product image and just pick something from here. $5, $10, $20, $10. Very cheap to go that extra mile and get those additional benefits of higher conversion rates by having a nice product image to offer it to your customers. So you'll see here, I've actually already done that. This one is an example of one I use for Tube Tycoon. This is a very clean looking design. It really gives you that pop feeling. Here's a software box that looks pretty good. I found that. This is a Bitcoin thing. I just use it as an example. See how it has that nice little shine to it? That really gives it that appeal. Here is another example. This is from my Tube Tycoon program, one of the modules in the program. See how it just gives a very nice, clean, extra level appearance versus like what you get when it comes with. It just looks kind of like crap, right? So you want to avoid that. So it's worth the additional investment. All right, another thing you could do is actually go over to Upwork and get custom made products for you that you can offer. So I do this a lot. So I've gotten nice books made from people that have knowledge and example things like paleo and stuff like that. I've gotten video products made here from people that have knowledge in specific topics like writing, and I just use those as the bonus. You can do it, if you do it right, you can get it for $50, $100. If you really want to go the extra mile, $500 for a good piece of a video course, a good book, or a software script. All right, so that's how easy it can be to create bonus offers that just may take you from eating ramen noodles to being able to eat caviar. Now, with that said, if you found value in this video, if you have any questions for me at this point, just comment below and I check back and answer those to help you as best as I humanly can, considering the fact that I'm so lazy. With that said, the next step of the process is to infuse our product bonus page with free website traffic. So I love free traffic. It is great if you are a beginner because you don't have to take the risk of testing. It's really complicated nerd stuff like Brainiac Genius stuff, and you have to also spend money to make it happen. So I would prefer that you're able to do all of this for free. I'm sure you would too, right? Like, who wants to take that risk? So back to the computer for step number 3. All right, so the first piece of the process here is finding the keywords that we want to target. So I'm using a tool called the Google AdWords Keyword Tool. This is kind of an in-depth topic. So to the top right, I'll also have a little white icon you can click on to go to a video that really breaks this down. But let's just pick a keyword like how to stop snoring. Now let's say I have a piece of content, whether it be a blog or a video. If someone were to type that into Google, don't you think that if it matches up correctly, it may be easy for me to sell a product like a mouth guard that helps them stop snoring? It has such a tight connection that will allow me to sell that product. So one way to go about this is to create a simple blog. This is one of my affiliate campaigns. And you'll just write those keywords in your topic here, your content here. So I'm trying to go after the words how to get a better night's sleep. And what you would do is you'd write that piece of content, and at the bottom here, just like the video that you created in this step right here, you would just make a quick little blurb in writing that would be something like, okay, so if you want to get a better night's sleep and snoring's a problem, I recommend this product here. It's called the blank product name. It does this, this, and this. And I've put together an incredible bonus package for you to make this even more of a surefire fix for your problem. So click here to look at that bonus package and learn more of how you can solve this here today. And that would just be a quick little button, and it takes them to this page. Now, an alternative way to go about this is you can create a review of the product that you're offering as an affiliate, so this mouth guard, and you'll make a page specifically about that. So let's check that out. And the key, you'll notice it has keywords in there like reduce snoring. We'll have the actual product name, Sleep Tight Mouth Guard Review. And you'll see here I have a green button the customer can click on, and this will take them to, it looks like it's a little funky. It'll take them to this page here, and then they can find more about the bonuses that you have to offer. Okay, and again, the reason you're doing this is because this is literally the difference between making a sale out of 1 out of every 200 to maybe 1 out of 10 or 1 out of 20. You can 10 times your results, potentially, with this result here. And that might be a little bit of an exaggeration, but say you just get 2 or 3 times the results, isn't it worth it just to put a couple $100s up to get that difference, which can make all the difference? Now, making an affiliate website, there is a step-by-step process to it. It's going to take too long to talk about it in this video. So I've actually created a separate video at the top right, or it might be here depending on where I'm at. The top right of this video is a white button, a little icon. Click that and just scroll through the list there and look for the one that says create a simple WordPress affiliate website that will walk you through the process of creating these digital assets that will serve you for many years to come. Okay, now with that said, the next step is step number 4. We're going to create YouTube videos, and we're going to take those viewers from YouTube and funnel them into our bonus page. All right, so let's get it. It's step number 4. Okay, so here we are at YouTube, and what you're going to just do is type in your topic. Snoring videos is what I'm going to do, and it's going to pull up a list. And from filter, what we're going to do is just filter by Creative Commons. So what these users have done is marked these videos for use in that you can reuse, chop up, and use how you please. Now, you're going to want to confirm that, but usually Creative Commons means just that. So we have a Sleeping with Penny the Bulldog. All right, so we have the sleepy dog here, and what we would do is we would imprint text on top of it that would say something like, do you want to stop snoring? If so, I have 3 tips for you that will do well. So we have that in the beginning. Now in the middle, we give the tips, and at the end we say, all right, so there's a product that works really well for this. It's called the blank product, and it can help really solve this problem for you in a way that you didn't know was possible. But to really take this and make this more of an obvious decision for you, I have a bonus package that I've put together. Just click the link below and it will show you all the cool things that I'm offering to really solve this problem once and for all, so you can finally get a good night's sleep and not have your spouse waking you up and slapping you in the head at nighttime. And that will be the end of the video. And of course, they go to this page and boom, they now have the option to buy the affiliate product. Okay, now with that said, there is a bit of an art to creating these simple types of YouTube videos that have the potential of earning more money than should be possible. So at the top right of this video, again, is that white icon. Click that and go through the list here and look for a video that's titled How to Make $100 a Day with Simple YouTube Videos. All right, so they'll be here and scroll down with that. And with that said, now we're gonna do the piece of the resistance, the free template. Let's jump back over and talk about that. Okay, so in the beginning of the tutorial here, I said I was going to give you this template for free, so staying true to proper deadbeat form, here is how you get access to this template. Okay, so go to Facebook and type in Deadbeat Revolution, affiliate marketing while you snooze. You could probably just type in affiliate marketing while you snooze or just Deadbeat Revolution. Type that, click the link here, and then click apply for group. There'll be a button around here somewhere. Click apply, and then once I approve you, I do it every like 15-20 minutes in between taking naps. And then from there, once you're approved, just go over to files, click that, and there you will find the link to access the template through ClickFunnels. Okay, and in addition, I highly recommend you join the Deadbeat Revolution Facebook group. It's getting very, very intense. We have so many great topics to really help you earn those affiliate marketing commissions while you snooze. Okay, so my question for you is, are you going to leave this video much better off than have gotten here? So if your answer is yes, hit that like button, give me some of that YouTube loving. Also comment below, let me know what you have in store with the process that I just showed you. What are your plans to create these bonus packages? What types of bonuses do you plan to offer? And if you have questions, comment below with that stuff. I love to interact with you deadbeats out there. And of course, share this video with your friends if you found it valuable. So with that said, my name is Dan Brock, the Deadbeat Super Affiliate from Deadbeat.com. And if you want to go from suits and commutes to online income while you snooze, hit that subscribe button. And by the way, at the top right here, you'll find my most recent video on how simple sites can make bigger profits. Time for me to go take a nap. Peace. Oh, I'm getting too old for this.